Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing y'all how I made this cute black and glam intro. The apps that I use to make this are Capcut, Canva, Picsart, and Videoleap. They're all free, so you don't have to pay to make anything in this intro. So yeah, let's get started. I'll be using Leah Sorrell as my model. I just screenshotted some of her pictures and videos from Instagram. And yeah, let's get into the first clip. So first you're going to want to go to Google and you're going to search black gradient background, and then you're going to click images. And I think I used this one. Yes, I used this one. So you're just going to hold down and save that to your photos. And then once you do that, we're going to go to CapCut. Once you're in CapCut, you're going to hit new project. You're going to go to your photos and you're going to choose the black background that we just saved. We're going to add that in, and then we're going to scroll and we're going to go to format and we're going to change it to 16 by 9 because that's the size that you need for YouTube. We're going to delete the end. Just press on it and hit delete. Then we're going to click the background and we're just going to expand it until it fits the whole screen. And I'm going to make mine about 5 seconds long. Then we're going to go to effects. Then we're going to go to mood. We're going to scroll down and we're going to use, I think I used mist. Yes, I'm going to use mist. Add that. Then I'm going to go to video effects again and I'm going to go to bling. I'm going to use mini stars too. And I'm going to change the opacity just a little bit to about 70. And then I'm also going to adjust the opacity for the mist. I'm going to hit adjust. And then for the background animation, I'm going to change it to 60. That's what the background should look like. So once you have the background edited, we're going to go to overlay. And we're going to add just pictures of yourself or whoever you're making this for. Once you have the picture added, we're going to go to remove background. We're going to remove the background. And that should do all the work for you. If that doesn't work, you can use Picsart to remove the background. Also, you can use remove BG, which I like to use when CapCut doesn't work. And I'm just going to make it bigger and place it kind of in the middle. Then I'm going to add another overlay. I'm going to remove the background again. I'm going to place it to the side. I'm going to change the layer of it to 1. Then I'm going to go to opacity and I'm going to change it to about 75. Actually, I'm going to do 80. Then we're going to add animations. I'm going to go to N and I'm going to go to slide up for 8 seconds. And then for the one off to the side, I'm going to go to N. I'm going to go to fade in for 8 seconds. I'm going to make this picture a little bigger and move it off to the side. And then I'll move this one over as well. And this is what it should look like when you're done. So we're going to save that. And once we save that, we're going to go to Canva. Once you're in Canva, you're going to hit video next to YouTube thumbnail. Then you're going to hit blank and you're going to add the video that we just saved from CapCut. So we're going to hit blank and we're going to upload. I'm going to upload the video. So once you hit the blank option, we're going to hit the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. And then we're going to go to uploads and we're going to add the video. Make sure you hit videos first and then hit upload media. Once it finishes loading, we're going to click the video and then we're going to position it so that it fits inside of our frame. So once you have the video added, I'm just going to make it bigger so that it fits. You don't want any of the white showing in the background. You can go to position to help you center it. And just keep working with it until it fits. Okay, I like how that looks, so I'm going to hit the plus sign again and I'm going to go to text. Then I'm going to hit sparkle and I'm going to type her channel name. Then I'm going to change the font. And I'm going to type in the youngest script. Stretch it out so it fits. Bring the font size down. Crop it. Then I'm going to change the font color to white. Then I'm just going to place it where I want it to be, make it a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to add an animation to it. Scroll to hit animate. I'm going to select typewriter. And this is what it should look like when you're done with the first clip. So we're going to save that and then we're going to move on to the second clip. For the second clip, we're going to go back to Google and we're going to search website logo. Then we're going to hit images. And then we're going to go to the first option and we're going to save it. And it should already be a PNG so we don't have to cut out the background or anything. Once you save that, we're going to go to Picsart. Okay, so once you're in Picsart, we're going to hit the plus at the bottom of the screen. We're going to scroll down and we're going to use the transparent background. Once you have the transparent background, we're going to hit add photo. We're going to click free images and we're going to search black background. We're going to use a plain black background. Hit add. Make it a little bit bigger. Then we're going to go to shape. We're going to hit the circle. We're going to hit the arrow. We're going to bring the border all the way down to 0. Hit save. Once you have that, we're going to go to add photo and we're going to add the website PNG that we just saved. Once you have that added, we're going to go to effects. We're going to go to colors and we're going to slide until you get to negative or invert. Anyone's fine as long as it's white. And we're going to hit apply. Then we're going to make it a little bit bigger. It's about there, and then we're going to go ahead and save that. Once you save that, we're going to exit out of it, remove it. Then we're going to re-add it back. So hit add photo and add it back. Once we have it back, we're going to move it to the side. And we're going to hit add photo. We're going to go to free images and we're going to choose the black background again. Then we're going to go to shape again. We're going to hit the square this time. Then we're going to just try to make it to like a rectangular box. Like about right there. Make the border 0, hit save. Bring this down. Move it up. And then we're going to add a shadow behind it. So I'm going to go to color. I'm going to choose white. Bring it to 0 for vertical, 0 for horizontal. And I'm going to do 100 opacity and 30 blur. And just move it so it's about right there. And then we're going to go to text. And we're going to type in her website. We're going to make it smaller and fit it into the rectangle. Once you have it fitted, we're going to save that. Then we're going to go to sticker and we're going to type in black Instagram logo. Then we're going to choose the second option in the third row. And we're going to make it the same size as the website logo so that they look the same. Then we're going to delete the logo, the website logo. We're going to add the Instagram logo. And we're also going to add the shadow just as we did for the website. So once you do that, we're going to double click the website name and then we're going to change it to her Instagram social. And I'm just going to censor that. And then we're also going to save that. So once you save that, we're going to delete this. We'll delete all of it. We're going to go to sticker and we're going to search Chanel frame. And then we're going to choose a third option in the second row. Then we're going to add whatever photos you want to use. I'm just going to crop that. I'm going to fit it into the frame. Then I'm going to click the 2 squares at the top and hit move down. Once you have the picture added, we're going to go to sticker and we're going to type in white tape. I'm going to choose the second option in the fourth row. I'm going to choose the arrow and I'm going to turn it. And I'm going to make it a little bit skinnier. Then I'm going to move it to the corner. And I'm going to change the opacity to about 70. And then once you do that, we're going to save the picture. And then we're just going to remove this picture. I'm going to add a new picture and then save that. When you add the new picture, make sure you hit move down so that the tape is over it. Hit it twice and then we're going to save that. And once you save that, we are done in Picsart and then we're going to go over to Capcut. Once you get into Capcut, we're going to hit new project and we're going to add the same background that we used for the first clip. So we're going to go to format again and change it to 16:9. And we're just going to do the exact same thing we did for the first clip with the same effects. Once you finish adding the effects, we're going to add the photos that we saved from Picsart. So once you've done that, we're going to extend the clips. Then I'm going to add another photo. I'm going to remove the background and bring it to the right corner. I'm going to add another overlay and I'm going to add the website and the Instagram handle that we made. Make sure you make them the same size. Okay, I like how that looks. So we're going to extend all the clips. Then we're going to add animations. For the pictures off to the side, I'm going to go to in and I'm going to go to zoom in for 8 seconds. For the picture off to the side, I'm going to go to in and I'm going to go to slide right. Actually, I'm going to do slide left for 8 seconds. Then for the social media handles, I'm going to do flip for 8 seconds. And this is what it should look like when you're done. And we're going to save that and then we're going to go into Canva. Once we're in Canva, we're going to use the same project that we used for the first clip. I'm only doing this because I don't want to reposition the video. If you don't mind repositioning the video, go ahead and start a new project. So I'm going to hit the plus sign and I'm going to upload the video we just saved from Capcut. So once that video finishes uploading, we're going to swipe out of this. We're going to select the video, then we're going to hit replace at the bottom of the screen. And we're going to replace it with the video we just uploaded. And then we're going to hit the text and we're going to change it to say stay connected. I'm going to bring the font size down, crop it, make it a little bit bigger, and I'm just going to place it at the top. Sometimes Canva glitches and does not let you see your photos, but if that happens, just exit out of the app and come back to your project. So now we're just going to move it to the top, see how that looks. I'll make it a little bit smaller. I'm just going to keep playing around with it until it looks good. So I like how that looks, so we're going to keep the same animation and we're done with the second clip, so we're going to go ahead and save that and then we're going to go back to Capcut. So now that we're back in Capcut, we're going to use the same background. We're going to delete the end. We're going to make it 5 seconds. Make sure you change the format to 16:9. Make it bigger. And then we're going to go to effects. And we're going to add mini stars 2 again. Bring the opacity to about 70. And instead of using the smoke and mood, we're going to go to nature. Then we're going to add steam. And we're going to keep it the same and extend it to the end. Then we're going to go to overlay and add our pictures. So I'm going to remove the background again. I'm going to place it off to the side, make it a little bit bigger. Add another photo, remove the background again, and place it next to the other photo. Actually, I'm going to switch these two photos. So once we have that, we're going to add animations. I'm going to go to in, and I'm going to do slide up for both of them for 8 seconds. So now that we've done that, that's what it should look like, and we're going to save that, and then we're going to go back to Canva. So now that we're in Canva, we're going to do the same thing that we did for the second clip. We're going to upload the video we just saved in Capcut, and then we're going to replace it. So now that we've replaced the video, we're going to click the stay connected text, and we're going to change it back to her channel name. I'm just going to make it bigger. So I moved it to the middle kinda, and I like how that looks. So once you're done with that, we're going to keep the same animations and everything, and we're going to save it, and then we're going to go to Videoleap. Once we're in Videoleap, we're going to hit the plus button and upload the video we just saved from Canva. Then we're going to go to stickers, and we're going to type in subscribe. And then you're going to scroll until you find this one. So I'm going to cut it until it gets to the play button. I'm going to place it down here. We'll see how that looks. Since it's going kind of slow, I'm going to change the speed to 1.5. I'm going to move it up a little bit. I'm going to cut it off before it starts to go to the bell. So I'm going to click the two little rectangles at the end of the red bar. I'm going to delete the end. I'm going to change the speed to 1.25. And I like how that looks, so I'm going to save that, and then we're going to go to Capcut. Once you're in Capcut, we're going to add all 3 clips that we made into one video so we can add transitions. Make sure that you delete the ending of the video with the Capcut watermark. So we're going to click the white box in between the clips. We're going to go to Effect. We're going to go to White Smoke, and we're going to do it for 8 seconds. And then I'm going to use the same effect for the other transition. I'm going to shorten the first clip to 3.5. I'm going to shorten the second clip to 3.5. And then for the fourth clip, I'm going to shorten it to 4.7. And this is how it should look when you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know what other types of tutorials you would like to see other than intros. I'll also put my Instagram and TikTok in the description, and you can go and follow me on there for many tutorials. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.